In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp. This is a really useful technique when you want your emails to look more professional and visually balanced, instead of having images stacked awkwardly above or below your paragraphs. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to place an image beside your text so it looks clean and intentional. First, start by adding a text block to your email layout in the Mailchimp email builder. In the Content panel, choose a text or paragraph block and drag it into the section of your template where you want the image and text to appear together. This is important because the image needs to live inside a text block for the text wrapping effect to work properly. Once your text block is in place, click inside it so your cursor is active. Then look at the toolbar that appears above the text editor and click the image icon. This will open your Content Studio, where you can either select an existing image or upload a new one from your computer. Take a moment to choose an image that's clear and relevant, since it will sit directly beside your text and draw attention. After you've inserted the image, it will appear inside your text block. Click directly on the image to open the image display settings. This is where you control how the image behaves in relation to the text around it. In the image display settings, you'll see alignment options. Choose either align left or align right. When you align the image to the left, your text will automatically wrap around the right side of the image. If you align it to the right, your text will flow along the left side. Pick the option that best suits your design and the direction your reader's eyes will naturally move. Next, adjust the margins so the image and text don't feel cramped. In the Settings panel, look for the Margins fields. Adding a bit of space, especially on the side where the text sits, creates a cleaner, more readable layout and keeps your email from looking cluttered. You don't need a huge margin, just enough padding so the text doesn't bump right up against the image. When everything looks good, don't forget to save your work. Click Save and Close to apply the changes to your email. At this point, it's a good idea to use the preview feature or send yourself a test email to make sure the image and wrapped text look the way you expect on both desktop and mobile. And that's all you need to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp.